Hello everyone, I am Vikrant Singh, currently in second semester, pursuing Masters in Construction Engineering and Management. As a part of Studio 2, which is focused on pre-construction and execution phase activities, I chose high-rise residential project in which I have covered various topics such as site layout planning, pour planning, material management, earned value management, contract administration, and more, all of which are crucial for successful project formulation and operation. I will be providing a brief overview of a high-rise residential project. This project comprises of 11 towers with a total built-up area of 12,000 square meters and includes 968 units with a carpet area of 689 square feet per flat. The project is being executed under an item rate contract and is estimated to be completed within a duration of 5 years with a total cost of 220 crores. The project team consists of 81 staff and 1400 laborers who are working towards the successful completion of the project. Currently, towers A and B have been casted up to the 10th floor, while towers G and H have been casted up to 9th and 10th floor respectively. 7 other towers are in finishing stage of the construction. As we know, formwork planning is a crucial aspect of pre-construction phase, as it plays a significant role in determining the success and efficiency of the construction process. At the site, aluminium formwork is currently being used, which is known for its durability, ease of use and efficiency. The formwork panels for the walls, soffit length, beam panel and deck panel have been designed and installed, as you can see in the figure. In total, 4 gangs are responsible for the shuttering work, with each gang consisting of 5 laborers. The working hours have been assumed to be 10 hours per day, and the total productivity of the labor comes out to be 8.825 square meters per man day. For the slab, a total of 10 days have been allocated for the construction process. That the slab cycle consists of 10 days, which includes various activities such as column reinforcement, column shuttering, slab shuttering, leveling, beam reinforcement, slab reinforcement, MEP work, checking, inspection and finally casting. These activities have been carefully planned to ensure that the construction process is efficient and there are no delays or errors occurred in the project. This is a site layout for tower A, B, G and H. Pour 1 is tower A, pour 2 is tower B. Similarly, G and H is 3 and 4 respectively. This shows the current status of tower G and H. We have also calculated the thumb rule for the formwork. So area considered is 382 square meter. Prop will be 5 nose per 10 square meter. RK bolt will be 2 bolt per rocker. Push pull prop similarly will be 1 piece per 10 square meter, and deck panel is 11 nose per 10 square meter. And wall panel, which is including the column, is 20 nose per 1 square meter. We have also shown the formwork set repetitions as per the actual and planned date. Heading with the material management. As we all know, material management is a crucial aspect of the construction process, as it involves the planning, procurement and management of materials required for the project. The process of material management starts with identifying the material requirement and then moves on to the selection of vendors who can provide high quality material at competitive rates. The vendor selection process involves several steps, including determining the criteria for vendor selection, identifying potential vendors, shortlisting suppliers, and evaluating the vendors based on various parameters. The criteria for vendor selection include the quality of materials, flexibility in payment, past experience, technical expertise, unit rate, and delivery support. Once a vendor has been selected, a contract agreement is allotted to the vendor and the materials are procured and delivered to the site. It is essential to ensure that the materials are of high quality and meet the required specifications, as the use of substandard materials can lead to delays and increased costs. Efficient material management requires a thorough understanding of the project requirements as well as the ability to source materials from reliable vendors. By following a systematic approach to vendor selection and material management, the construction process can be streamlined and the project can be completed within the designated time frame and budget. As we can see here from the graph, it is shown that the steel lead time calculation comes at 9 days, For transportation, it's almost 3 days to reach the material. So ABC analysis is a technique of categorizing inventory items according to their substantial impact on the overall expenditure of organization. Since cement and reinforcement fall within the A category, more attention should be paid to these commodities, particularly in terms of inventory control. Direct administration of these two materials is carried out through the head office in cooperation with the project engineer and planning engineer. HML analysis is used to distinguish the material into three categories: high rate, medium rate and low rate material based on their unit rate. Shuttering, binding wire, reinforcement and admixture are in the H category since they have the highest unit rate cost. Consequently, to avoid cost overruns, the contractor should concentrate on reducing the amount of H category material that is being wasted. I have prepared EOQ model as per their data available at site. EOQ is a method used to determine the optimal quantity of materials to be ordered to minimize the total cost of procurement, holding and ordering. At construction sites, the use of EOQ can help to optimize the ordering of materials, reducing cost and minimizing waste. By determining the optimal order quantity of each material based on the site's requirement and usage patterns, construction companies can reduce the frequency of orders and avoid stockouts while also minimizing the cost of carrying excess inventory. The use of EOQ can help to streamline the procurement process as it provides a standardized approach to material ordering and reduces the need for manual calculations. By automating the EOQ calculation process, one can improve the accuracy of their orders and reduce the risk of errors. From the graph, it can be inferred that as EOQ increases, the total ordering cost decreases and the EOQ increases, total carrying cost is also increases. Therefore, the total cost is lowest at the point of intersection of total ordering cost and total carrying cost. And EOQ for the lowest cost is 128.35 metric ton. From the price break model, it can be inferred that with the increase of purchase price, the holding cost also increases, due to which the cost increases. Similarly, as the purchase price decreases, holding cost also decreases. This is a site store layout. As we can see, there are sections are made for the placement of material and tools. As we can see in the store images, the placement of material is not done properly. Therefore, we are suggested to apply the 5S to the store, which is sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. So waste segregation bin should be arranged, red tag for issue counter should be placed, cleanliness in store should be there for the streamlined procedure, and regular inspection of procedure should be done to check whether it is being done or not. Heading to the triple role concept. The triple role concept in the construction site refers to the roles of the customer, processor and supplier in a construction project. There are several advantages in its structure, including a monitoring team that works throughout the project, a supervising team from the client that regularly checks the RA bill, chief design consultant who is responsible for all services designs, and contractor who have all types of subcontractors and do not require any third party agencies. These are the major stakeholders listed: client, architect, structural design firm, landscape design firm, MEP consultant, contractor, firefighting, masonry work and concreting work. Mistake proofing is the process of designing system and processes to prevent errors before they occur by increasing efficiency and quality. It is based on 6 principles: elimination, prevention, replacement, facilitation, detection and mitigation. Earlier, the mistake identifiers were use of traditional leveling tools, due to which more time was consuming, it was less accurate and limited range was applicable to it. So for that, solution implemented was rotating laser level machine. It is a device that projects a level line across a wide area, usually 360 degrees around a room or outdoor area. The devices produce a level line on all 4 walls or all the way around a space using a horizontally rotating laser beam. The goals of using spinning laser level machine include guaranteeing a level or plumb surface, enhancing accuracy and efficiency, and lowering the possibility of human error. This solution is based on the prevention principle. Prevention principle of mistake proofing emphasizes the value of creating procedures and processes that eliminate the chance of mistakes or accidents. Rotating laser level machine is applicable to excavation, leveling of formwork, and landscaping, and etc. Studio 2 deals with the learning such as pre-construction activities, material management, quality control, poor planning, primavera, and lean applications such as value stream mapping and foreman delay survey. The exercise in material management includes lead time calculation, EVC and HML analysis, vendor selection criteria, which provides the valuable insight for efficient supply chain operations. The lead time for steel comes out to be 9 days. Inventory management is a crucial part to manage the inventory so that the cost could be minimized. The EOQ model for steel, that is 128.35, and price break model can help optimize inventory levels and reduce costs, leading to improved efficiency and profitability. The triple role concept refers to the three interrelated roles that individual plays in an organization: the technical role, the conceptual role, and the interpersonal role, which is the customer, processor, and supplier. Mastering these roles can lead to increased effectiveness and success in the workplace. Rotating laser level machines can be used instead of traditional tools such as water level, hose, and spirit level for leveling to prevent human error or reduce the human error. This mistake proofing technique reduces the risk of measurement inaccuracies, resulting in improved quality and efficiency, and reduced rework and costs. Analysis was done for the total 8906 cubic meter concrete for the pour planning. The slab cycle and the peak requirement of the material were investigated as a result in the month of April 2023. The peak requirement of concrete was observed. Also, the direct and indirect costs were prepared for the project. Thank you.